So I'm going to make a tutorial video how to get around buying the Autoplay, and this is for Android. This will also work on BlueStacks as well. And at the end, I'll explain how you can do this with the iPhone. I've never owned an iPhone, but I know from other gamers how to do this with an iPhone as well. I only speak English. I can't change that. So this is how it goes. In the Play Store, there is an app called ClickMate. Okay, it's this one right here. I already have it. It's due for an update, but that doesn't matter. It's free, but if you go ahead and pay, I think it's either $1.99 or $2.99, you'll unlock the premium features. Okay, so you go in here, you find it, ClickMate. You'll have to initially unlock a few things to make it work. So if you go in here and you look at this, you'll go to record mode. It brings up this menu right here. All right. And then load save options. So for me, I have almost every kind of preset macro you can think of. But for this particular one, the autoplay at the top is the one I created for the dungeons. All right. So if we go back into the game, right? And I already have, obviously, autoplay, but for all intents and purposes, I'll go ahead and do this in a guild hall. And go in here. I already got a guild hall going, so I'll just do this and I'll hit the play button. Try to hit the play button. I got to reload it again. Oh, I didn't have one loaded, so autoplay. All right, go back in. Let this try to get me to buy a pack and go in and hit play. So it works just like that. Simple feature. You literally only do it this way. And what I'll do is I'll show you how to make a recording doing this, because it's only a one tap for this particular function. This also works on the Apple. Apple has that screen record mode or whatever it is. But if you go in here and I hit record, back out, go back in, hit this, hit the record button, tap one time, stop. Okay. Then go ahead and hit the play button. It won't hurt nothing. It's automatically stuck. And there you go. Works just like that. Now, in the functions of it, if you go in, load save, brings you back up to this menu. Repeat count, 0 for infinity. Okay. You can change the playback speeds, but on this particular function you don't, because it'll cause a lot of lag for other players. And I would just obviously hit save, but I don't need to because it's already there. Like I was showing you, I've literally created things for automatic builder for build events. Earth Essence, Fire Essence, Lightning Essence, all that. That's literally for the going in the Magitech converter to convert from level 2 Essence to level 1 Essence. Metal Breaker is a feature that I use for breaking metals for events. Experience Clicker, that's something I had to auto hit farms, so that way I build experience. You know, Military Chest Opener, back when, you know, those dropped a lot of gems. Merc Trainer, Rapid Click, that's for Proving Grounds, because that actually does the Proving Grounds a lot faster than the autoplay on that. Different individual trainers for the different types of troops. Gifter, back when we used to use loyalty to gift things. Regal Metal Breakers, Item Click Openers, Hero Ganker. Used to do an auto click to steal heroes and banish them. You know, War Breaker was when you used to rally against farms just to build up points for War's 1 leaderboard. So, like I said, it works. Now, in the iPhone, y'all got a setting somewhere up in the pull down menu where it can do it can record a click. But because it's only one click, it will work for the iPhone. Now, if it was a multi-function click, it probably wouldn't work. But for the iPhone, yes, you can get around this. If you use BlueStacks, the computer emulator for Android, it'll work on that as well. But we all know that BlueStacks is kind of laggy too. Doesn't really work all that good. But I figured I'd make this video so that way kind of give you guys an idea of how to get around buying a pack that's got autoplay in it for Vet Prompto or regular Prompto, which, hell, they don't even sell those packs anymore anyway. So hopefully this can help you guys out a little bit and, get you guys in there a little bit better. And obviously you guys cannot speed in the dungeon no more in the transition from one dungeon to the next. You can, if you know it's going to be a multi-hit for the monster, you can speed during those. But if you speed in the transition from one monster to the next, because of the new animation with the monster dying, it's going to make everybody miss their next hits. It doesn't matter which type. It don't matter if you manually try to hit or if you use autoplay. It's going to make the next person miss. Just another function that this game has done to slow us down in the dungeons.